Hello guys, welcome to your 27 C++ tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about the access modifiers that are the public, private and protected data types in a class. Okay, and also I'm just going to wrap everything up in one nice cool program that should recap everything that has been done in the previous few tutorials and make you a bit more comfortable about it. So in this tutorial what I'm going to do is create a weapons class. Okay, and there will be two different weapons. One is the sniper weapon and the other is the pistol. So when for example you're coding a game, okay, and you create different kinds of weapons. Each weapon is having its own class and its damage attributes. For example, if you shoot with a sniper rifle, usually one shot gets the kill, while a pistol requires 3 to 4 to 5 kills. It depends on the type of the pistol as well. So let us get coding to it. So I create a class weapons, okay, and in that I'm going to create a protected integer variable that is known as damage. Okay, and then I'm going to create a public function, okay, that is void set damage. Okay, I got the spelling right. Okay, it will take an integer as a parameter into it. Okay, and it just does a simple thing, damage equal to a. That's it. That's how simple it is. There we go, our weapons class is complete. So now we create a class of sniper. S should be capital, though not compulsory, but I like to do it that way, that's why. And remember one thing here, now we use inheritance. Okay, so we inherit from class, we write public weapons. There we go, pops up. So now we write in public function, let's say attack, and what this does is outputs attack power or damage. Let's see, yeah, damage, and end the line there. Now we create the next class, that is the, well, let's say pistol class, which again inherits from the weapons class. So a pistol is a weapon and a sniper rifle is also a weapon, kind of makes sense. Okay, so let's continue coding. It's just going to be a nearly identical code. Void attack cout damage, end the line. Okay, so our classes are complete here. Okay, one more important thing that I should say is a protected member and a public member. These two members of the classes are inherited during inheritance. If I make this private, there will be an error. I'll show it to you later. Let me just code the main program. Okay, so our first thing is a sniper. We create a sniper object S, a pistol object P, and now we create two weapon objects. Okay, weapons W1. Now this is going to be a pointer object, okay, which will contain the address of the sniper, and another weapons object is going to be a pointer W2, which will contain the address of the pistol object. Okay, nothing new here, I have already taught this. So if you don't understand this part, please go back to my tutorials and watch them again, or leave me a comment. I'll be happy to explain it to you in those. So W1 dot set damage, what should I set it to? It's a sniper, so I should make it 99, a near kill. And W2 again, just using the arrow member selection operator. I just used 20, 25. 4 shots should be enough to kill. So there we go, and then we do this W sorry, S dot attack, there we go, and P dot attack, there we go. So let me just run this and show it to you. Yeah, it works perfectly. It just outputs 99 and 25. It's pretty simple, doesn't do much, but let me just show what happens when I make this private. Okay, then I'll explain everything to you in details. So I run this and there we go. The error says in member function void sniper double colon attack, error int weapons damage is private. Error within this context, in member function void pistol attack int weapons damage is private. What essentially this means is in this line what see out damage, and it can't access damage because it is private, and also it has not inherited it. If I make this protected, okay, so this will be inherited by them, this damage integer, and then it can use that variable. Okay, this is what inheritance essentially is. Private is totally private, you can't access it from anywhere outside the class. What protected is somewhat private, somewhat public, a mixture of the two. Okay, so in protected you cannot directly access it from this, like the s dot damage, you cannot do it like that. You cannot also do it through pointers or hack your way into through it, but you can use other classes can inherit this damage protected members, and then it can use it. So this is a bit of a difference between protected, private and public. Public is available to all, private is very private, no one can access it. Okay, so what is this is essentially inheriting from public weapons, attack, see out damage, nothing new here, again nothing new. Essentially this is just the same. What I'm creating is just a sniper object, pistol object, a weapons pointer object and a weapons pointer object which contains the address. Now this is used to set the damage and whatnot. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and goodbye.